Become unstuck when you learn this one thing about being successful. After years of working hard, raising a family, and chasing stability, it isn't a strategy or a course or even a mentor that can change everything for you. It's a choice that you have to make. A choice to think differently. Think like an entrepreneur. But here's the thing that you need to remember and never forget. Your mindset controls your results. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why some people move fast and others stay stuck for years, and which of the 5 mindset shifts that we're going to discuss will completely change the way that you show up in your business, whether you actually start a business and the way that you show up in life in general. Because what if the only thing that's standing between where you are and the success that you dream of is what you believe? What you believe is possible. And I know you've heard that before. The biggest block keeping people stuck is that they don't actually believe it's possible for them. I felt that way. I know you have too. Jeff Bezos once said, you can be proud of your choices, but not your gifts.
It's your choices that construct your life, not your gifts.
Because your gifts you already have. You've already been born with them. But your choices in life is what you choose to make, what you choose to do. And the first choice that every entrepreneur makes is to believe, even when there's no evidence yet. If you don't believe you can build something meaningful online, you'll keep taking surface level actions, like posting on occasion, not regularly, watching trainings, doing courses, but never implementing what you're learning and committing to your business completely. Does that sound familiar? I've been there. Every 6- and 7-figure earner starts with a belief that they can make this work before seeing any proof. They didn't wait for the results to believe it. They believed to create results. So the first choice is simple. Start believing. Start believing it's possible for you, even if you feel uncomfortable, even if your past says otherwise. Because that tiny shift in your thinking is where everything starts. So what's that one thing that you want to believe is possible for you this year? Comment below. I'd love to help encourage you to get there. Maybe you're asking yourself, how do you just believe? Visualize yourself making that first sale online. You'll highlight successful stories of other people who are using the same system that you're using, for example, and getting results. Instead of saying, I can't, say, I'm learning how to. If you're interested in learning how to start working online, I have a free blueprint that'll take you through a step-by-step process to get there. Just click the link below. The second shift that can make a change to your business is building on your belief. And you can't jump from doubt to confidence overnight. If today you believe you can make $100 or $300 online, start there. Once you hit that, your mind will tell itself, maybe I can do $600 sale or even a $900 sale. That's how entrepreneurs climb step by step. That's how we all climb. It's not luck or timing. It's building proof one small win at a time. Stop comparing yourself to somebody else who's been working longer or have different skills than you. We're all at different levels, but every small win counts. Things you can do for this step is set small, achievable goals. Celebrate every goal as proof that you're progressing, and set bigger goals as your confidence grows and you accomplish those smaller goals. The third mindset shift is train your brain to look for proof that you can instead of proof that you can't. Most people look for evidence of failure. I'm too old. I'm not tech savvy. Maybe you've raised a family, managed a career, handled challenges in your life that you never thought you could. These are skills that show leadership, organization, planning, that prove that you're capable and not a quitter. Entrepreneurship just asks you to apply it in a different way. Every time you find proof that you can do something new, even a tiny thing, your confidence multiplies. And that's what builds momentum. In a moment, I'm going to tell you what you can do if you feel you're not ready. And this can determine whether you become a business owner or not. So examples of way to train your brain are to list 2 or 3 things that you've done that you thought were impossible at one time for you to do, but you accomplished. Notice your strengths and things that you do every day, like running a home and maintaining a job or a career. And replace I failed with I learned something new today. So if your mind right now is telling you to try this out and you're a visual learner like I am, try my free class in the link below that takes you behind the scenes and shows you step by step exactly how this business model works. My 4th point, you will never feel ready. So don't wait to be. Don't wait to start that business, to post that first video, to sell your first product. The truth, readiness is a feeling that only comes after you take action. If you keep waiting for that perfect moment, perfect product, or the confidence, you'll be waiting forever. When Jeff Bezos left a secure job to start selling books online, this is what he said. I didn't think I'd regret trying and failing. I suspected I'd always be haunted by not trying at all. That is so true for all of us. Don't look back with regret. It's exactly how I felt when I started working online in my 50s. Scared, not ready. I knew I would regret not trying more than I would regret staying where I was. So don't wait to feel ready. Start now, learn as you go, and earn along the way. That's how this program is set up. That's how every successful person begins. If you weren't waiting to be ready, what would you start this week? Tell me in the comments below. Remember that readiness is built through action, not before it. And the fifth and final mindset shift, stack your wins. Every time you get one small result, a comment, a sale, a message from somebody, celebrate it. That signals your brain to keep going. Record every win. Acknowledge learning something new as you progress. Reward yourself for being consistent. Because success is a collection of small, consistent wins, not one big one. I started tracking every tiny thing that went right. And before I knew it, I was building momentum. When you learn to notice what's working, you'll find more of it. Because what you focus on expands. So if you've taken anything away from this today, let it be this: that success isn't about luck, timing, or talent. It's about your mindset and your choices. Same choices like Jeff Bezos talks about. Comfort or courage, fear or faith, waiting or starting. You can choose to play it safe, or you can choose to start building your own story. In the comments, state which of these 5 shifts that we've covered do you need most right now. And if you want to learn more about starting an online business, I've linked my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below in the comments. It's a step-by-step guide showing you how to start an online business in just 2 to 3 hours a day, even while you're still working. Use your lunch break, before work, after dinner, before bedtime. Start building in little pockets of time that can potentially replace your paycheck. This mostly done for you business model comes with 4 done for you digital products, a pre-built website, and an 8-member tech team that helps with any technical issues you might have. It costs less than the price of the phone that you're watching me on right now. You can come in at 4 different entry levels that are comfortable to you, from $100, $300, $600, or $900, and you receive 100% commission on the sale of all those products. So you get your total investment back in one sale. And our most popular product, the $900 product, you actually unlock all 4 digital products that are valued at $1,900. So to help you take away what's important about your mindset, I've created a free PDF that you can download below. It's a simple summary of today's 5 mindset shifts, plus how this model fits perfectly into a busy person's life. It'll help you build confidence and see what's truly possible, even if you've never done anything like this before. Because your success isn't about finding more time. It's about deciding time is yours to claim. Now that you have the right mindset, check out my next video on how to start earning online as a beginner in 2025.